How na day, and I hope you guys are doing great. It's your boy Crity React, and this comedy is very hilarious. I want you guys to watch it to the end and give your comment and also subscribe and turn on post notification bell icon. Without further ado, come. Let's go.
So this is all I'm buying. Here.
Wahala.
No, don't worry, I got it.
I got this. Let me pay for you.
Don't worry, for real, I can pay. Don't worry.
Don't worry, I got it.
No, I know. Thank you, but I can actually pay.
You got it?
Yeah, I do. Thank you.
God have mercy on us.
The funny good boy, you have not seen anything.
Hey Chris, how much you get when you and the got this?
What's wrong with you now? Someone is offering to pay for us. You are there telling him you got this. You got what?
I got
I
it.
don't know what's in the now scope, what's in the worry.
Babe, calm down now. It's the new Pick Mini evaporated milk. It is very, very cheap and affordable. It's something that everybody can pay and use to eat breakfast. Now, small money now.
I said the toast now. If you woman won't pay, go tell you I got this. Do you understand? If she say I got this, you go say I got this. You know, so every woman won't be independent woman. They don't go green make you got this. Do you understand? I got this, because oh yeah, I mean she got it. From there she go see say you be big boy.
Yes, now. Now, small money now. To everybody feel buy your breakfast. You don't trust me again. And just watch, observe. Follow me. Let's go.
I hope this ends well for brain Jotter.
Let's have it.
Okay.
Let's have it.
So you have paid, right?
Yes,
So can I have your number?
Oh my god, I forgot something. Sorry. Please add this.
I this one, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Plan.
No, don't worry. I got this one.
No, I got it.
Shh, I got this.
Thank you.
I said I got it.
Yeah, I know. I'm very grateful.
Don't go.
What I'm I'm not agreeing to got it. I'm not agreeing to got it.
Please.
Segment. Even his friends run away because
I'm not agreeing to got it.
Oga, give me the card now. You want me to call security on
She
you?
have not.
Hey, your card not decline here. Oh.
It's a plan. Service of current. That service of current.
Please stop talking to my customer like that. I'll tell them about the Pick Mini promo.
You two can have breakfast with Pick Mini and as well win amazing prizes from the Pick Mini promo.
Don't shopping vouchers. Simply make a video or take a picture using the Pick Mini pack.
let me check something, guys.
Mini supply.
Hey, I can't believe brain Jotter ended up selling picnic in the shop. All right, I got this, guys. Let's continue. Oh my god. Hey.
Oh my God! Wow! You like what you see? You like what you see?
Hello. Fine girl.
I shout
fine. Succulent. See, the day you were made, the earth quaked. No, my earthquake now. Do you stay around? I don't know if I can have your number so that we can be talking of, I'd love to have a serious relation.
Hey. Romeo and Juliet. Beauty and the Beast.
Jesus. Beauty and the
If they talk
beast.
to you, they laugh. That's why they talk to all the guests. He go just chop you, move.
You get it? If you don't get it, forget about it.
Yes.
So my pikin, you get lines soon. So you know book like this, now you write jam. Good 8 times.
Oh.
8 good times.
Oh.
She know the sponsor.
Get out. Wasted powder.
This woman. Shopofo in the building.
Khalifa, why you dey call Shopofo now? Check Shopofo.
I don't know say you work out.
How you go know when your last relationship self no work out?
Jesus.
Anyhow, Sha, I want interview. In fact, fee me money.
Money? Yeah, Khalifa, I suppose no say anyway where you see money, you go see Shopofo now.
Yeah, no. So, Miss Khalifa, where am I here with?
My name na Shopofo, aka Shopofo Jimmy, and working out.
There's a popular proverb that says,
Jimmy.
you can't eat your cake.
Working out.
Which means
You can't have two good things at the same time.
Oh, that means I gotta speak one thing, Abby.
Exactly. So, Mr. Shopofo, will you rather take this 10k cash and stop my bum?
I go take the 10k.
For you too like money.
I beg you.
Yeah, now later.
Hey, Mia Khalifa.
Yeah?
Will I say something staying you for that your bomb side, though?
Oh, I beg me those stamp.
Dissolve!
It's okay. You can't have two things at the same time.
But right now, Shopofo is eating his cake and having it.
I don't understand.
Yeah, no, thank you.
You're welcome. But that cake soft, sha.
You get it?
If you don't get
it, forget about it.
Shopofo is crazy, man. He actually bypassed the scene.
Why join that link in my bio? Now tips are analysis with that. They give short, very, very accurate games. So why join right now? You see their screenshots, say they always they win. Don't tell me say they lose your bet again, no.
Yeah? This one is Oju.
Hello? Oh, now, Mike, I won't tell you now. I don't tell you say if you want to trade your Bitcoin gift card, just trade with a Smart Easy Crypto Exchange. They are the best when it comes to cryptocurrency. They know they rip. See, they're ready to negotiate with you anytime when you want the best rate. Yes, I beg. No for my joy. Who play?
Your ear does not hear. Without.
Hello, Baba. We have gotten someone for the sacrifice. We are on our way.
Cocoa butter, laugh and loud. Money they give me happiness. Oja they give me.
It's gone.
That's how I die. You.
Solo.
The song actually on this skit is somehow.
You they use your function to play.
You're cheating on me.
I'm cheating on you.
You're talking to another girl.
Okay.
I'm talking to any girl.
Then open your phone. Be a phone, mommy.
Are you?
Let's see.
What type of plane is this?
That's how it's going.
Jesus! Dead bodies on surplus.
I'm sorry, please.
Clapper.
The girl wanted to see by force.
Big Zephyr.
Thank God for your life.
You see my full spawn, I know they talk anything, though. Big Zephyr.
Wait.
You're also lucky.
You're also lucky.
Now, it always turn up. You know, he go turn up.
Go and thank your star. What is going to happen this time around? Let's see.
Oh, beautiful girl. Hello. This girl knows that she's supposed to answer my call.
Instead of you to go.
Yes. Hello.
Go and leave this girl alone. Man.
Why is she walking alone this lonely road? Hello. Hello.
Hey! Are you from the south? Because I wanna be your lover. You know say I be fine boy.
What's the name?
Annabelle.
Nice name. You know that I'm in a haste now. I'll just say enter the car. Let me carry you to anywhere you are going to. Let me be your Uber driver for today. Or your driver. 70 years old man. You're beautiful, you know.
Yeah, I know.
Wow. Can I have your number? You know it's December. Let me just spoil you a bit.
Can I have your number this December?
Nice name. Is that your real number? Yeah. Annabelle. Nice. All right now. I will see you later. All right.
You never see anything.
Jesus!
Hey! The girl is gone, the car is gone. Everything's gone.
I've been dragged entire. Yes. Then I reverse back. I call the girl, hello. Then I open the door.
Has this never happened to you? Like, you never experienced something like this?
Wait, I want them, Oga.
The car is not even his son.
Oga, what you dey talk now? Who know how much they give you?
Let me pay 1.5 million for the car now.
1.5? No now. That 3 million where would they tell you they okay now? See better car we won't say give you. Better confirm Lexus.
You know that this is your car. You people always give me stolen cars. And if I buy it now, I still have to settle all this police small money. Oh yeah, let me pay 2 million.
2 million? Now wow. See better car we won't say give you. Why they do like this now? Why they do like this?
Okay, now no problem. Go and look for another person to buy it. I cannot buy it.
Oga, hold on now. You never reach like this now. Okay.
Oh yeah, now move, sell them like that.
Even the 3 million is too small.
Just
Even 5 million is too small for that car.
Okay, no problem.
So look at
this man safe. No worry, we go
somebody swear.
Of course now.
Before months, we don't sell like 10 million.
Some of you are just evil.
They play.
You never see anything.
Jesus! Mommy,
Please, no.
Misery indeed. How did it happen?
Hello?
Hello, Stanby. Yes. I don't have light.
Oh, see, your area will be off for today.
Oh, my battery is getting low. Are you not an ECG man? Do something.
See, you know what? I'm coming to your place. Let me see what I can do.
Really? You're coming? Okay, you know what? When you're coming, come with condom.
Yes! I should come with condom.
You love the craze, like the guy is highly in love, crazily and mentally in love. This is the real video for this song, as in. For a man, immediately I get there, we will.
Since you say you don't have lights, I've brought you lights.
Thank you. How about the condom?
I came prepared.
Like,
what be this?
Thanks to this ECG man, he brought us lights, so now we can charge our phones.
I will don't beat someone's guy.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Sorry. Don't cry.
What type of plane?
Bad man, Ratty. Capo. Where the guy will say won't join us. I mean, this. Boy, get up. Go to see Capo.
Jesus.
Capo. Where you go? Come back here. See Capo for you. Waiting be your naming ceremony.
Alpha, you don't tell me that one.
See, naming ceremony. Now the name will tell you work for streets.
My name is Scorpion.
What did I do you? Now Capo nickname be that.
Oh, I don't know say that your nickname. Now name one I want answer once I don't become bad man. But waiting carry me come be say life don't show me shaggy. And number 2, you get one guy where they torment my life. Since I was 18, this guy was my friend before.
Okay.
After my wedding, the guy even come my Sunday education. You are aware now? To my greatest surprise, after 8 years of marriage, this guy collects my wife and my 2 kids.
2?
Capone.
2 kids.
I want to fight back and collect my love.
God have mercy upon us.
But first of all, I want make una donate 500 million for me.
How will Juju be down?
Papi is crazy.
See, make I tell you, you know be CBN no. The one what would they do for ya? That to find trouble for streets. Yeah. But we low.
I think say una dey even share money. What about the food where you tell me say una go share?
No,
You guys share money
after the IT.
Capone, I'm sorry. It was a slipping of tongue. I think you're here in a bank before. So I'm ready to join you people.
Try.
You can see. For example.
Hey! This boy, what did they do you now?
Calm down. Now, the one show I'm saying I get strength. Johnson level.
See, if you try me, I go blind you.
I'm ready.
Sorry, sir. It will not happen again.
Anyway, I've forgiven you. Bring the bread of life.
Capone, this Capone quiet. First one you go beat.
Are you playing?
What nonsense?
Don't finish it after the right one side. Now bring the bread of life. Oh, Billy. Hey! Smaller than Bella.
See, I can prepare.
He came prepared for this food. My guy bring out food.
Bad Marathi. See that shen case where they pass. Come collect this phone, go take our number. No shake it, no shake it.
Alpha, no worries. You know, say they don't collect my wife. You see now I don't join court. Anything girlfriend, wife, I go to collect her. Capone, leave her for me.
Don't worry, your mind day, your mind day.
Hold this thing. Make nothing happen to my meat and this.
He's still concerned about the apple.
Hear my return.
The only that won't allow him to eat the apple.
Okay, what's happen now? Why they knock me like that?
I don't join court, you. Come on, give me your number.
So they worry you.
I don't join court.
Hello. Come back here. Hello. Madam, give me.
Okay.
Who is that?
Honey, I don't know him. I think he's that guy that stole my phone last week.
Young man, now God will you come. Like now for 3 weeks, my dog has never chopped.
Okay.
And for this my work, for 3 months, I pay me salary. So like this now, I'm going to cut your pass small, they feed my dog. Now today I just join this court. Now my Capone say make I can't collect her number. She not tell me say she don't marry.
We never see
you now. Hey, if you walk out from there, I go shoot you. Move it.
It's over, man.
So my baby, hope you enjoy your food.
Yes.
Okay, you know I just came back from the
It's over,
state
man.
and
It's over, man.
around town.
Wow.
I don't know if you
Not
can
going
just
to be
show me
easy
around
this
town
time
a
around.
little bit, you know?
Ari.
Okay.
Getting this one, Papa, they talk for you.
How much did this guy account?
From what I can see, he has just 5,000 naira.
This is shocking. Now they don't chop like 5 plates, drink like 7 crates.
Jesus.
If this guy no wash plates today, make I die.
Sir, your bill is 50k, sir.
50k?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, your pin.
You have it.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, thank you. Yeah.
He shock you.
Love you.
Guy, I think you talk say this guy no get money for account. Guy, this one take happen now.
They play. He just received money now from Nala.
What is Nala?
Nala is an app that you can use to send money from the US, the UK, and any other European country to any African country, and they are very fast and reliable. In fact, you can download it on the Play Store, and if you are using an iPhone, you can download it on Apple Store. And when you use the promo code SAKPA, you will get €10 free. And Nala is on 12-day promo now, where you can win either plane ticket or iPhone 15 Pro.
If this guy no wash plates today, make I die.
The second of him no even care. The second guy did not even show concern. Feel like you go as far as meeting my own chicken like this.
Welcome to my humble abode. Make yourself comfortable while I get something upstairs.
Bro, you have to take every time of your life to fear women.
Who are you?
Are you whining yourself?
Do you want sweet?
You want to grab the small boy? You want to?
So fast. I was thinking I wanted to introduce you to my dad.
Oh yeah, go calm down.
Daddy, this is the love of my life. Babe. My father. How are you?
Boss, what am I going to do?
You're the one. What are you going to do? Like,
I don't like the Range Rover. I won't Mercedes. I'm
I
a
would just
Mercedes
friends.
girl.
After thinking he was a child.
Hello? Why are you 4 million?
Jesus.
No, let's do 4.5.
Hustle every day for my pay, every day for my pay. Mommy pray for me,
I move fast, we're late now.
Hustle every day for my pay.
This one fits Nastyblaq.
Mommy pray for me,
The work actually suits him. U-turn.
That is my neighbor. I know if you form my hand. Baba, they pay us 15K for this job. Who do one? Baba, I know if you do one. Make me go to sell rice.
Hello? Where are you? You are sick. Okay, I'll pay 700K just to be Father Christmas. This guy don't put me for trouble. Hey, who could be Father Christmas now?
700K? Let's go.
Baba, go to.
Nasty!
You know me before.
Hey? So this is what
Madam, go away for soup.
Jesus.
Dear woman, dear woman.
We are the same.
Oh, my Cinderella.
Yo, Dalo. I'll be your umbrella.
Jesus! Mommy,
That was wonderful from Nastyblaq, though.
Babe, please accept this from the heart of my heart.
Oh.
The scent from it represent the flavor of love.
You don't know what you're saying, man.
Those little things represent the particles of love.
Oga, una too dey love.
That was actually.
Why you bring cash?
I go move.
When you fit send me one BTC and I can trade it with DC exchange, they are 100% reliable when it comes to cryptocurrency.
But you know I love physical things.
Hey!
Waiting be this.
They play. Just they play.
See what you even bring, Seth.
Yeah!
Go on and add and join that liver and I want to cook soup.
Jehovah Jesus.
Hello, Chief. I'm coming.
This trip on for another day. Oh.
Let's have it.
I beg. We soup na one cook. I will feel wait.
Forget about this love thing. We need to make money. Let's go and make money. Forget about love and let's go and make money.
I swear. Let's go and make money. Forget about love.
Okay, good afternoon.
Hey, afternoon, my dear. Welcome.
Yeah, thank you. I need 100K. How much do you charge?
Now 1K.
Yeah, no. Give me. I'm doing transfer.
Transfer. Okay. I go transfer to the person. Or you need cash?
No, I need cash.
I don't get up to 100K, my dear.
How about 50?
50?
Yes.
You know, say I come out since morning. I don't get reach 50. No.
How much you can't get?
Oh, wow. 20 inko.
Now what I dey talk say I no get reach 20K.
How much you can't get?
Yes. You know, say since morning I come out.
Talk.
A lot of people don't collect cash from me. Now 4-5 days.
So you are doing money points. You don't have money. What's the point?
It's pointless.
Limau.
Good evening, ma.
Actually, what's the point?
Fine, ma. What do you do? I work 12 to 3, ma. Wow. Are you a pastor? No. Are you a night guard? No. So what do you do? I'm a contractor. An independent contractor. Wow. You employ people? We exchange fluids. Just like trade by barter. Oh. All company? No, mommy. Human relations. I'm an independent contractor for human relations. In fact, your son Wally here has been my most generous client. That is why I decided to lock us in forever.
No be asawo be this.
Okay.
Okay.
Temi lo fe takuti. Oya Rehab, rise and go to work. It's almost time for your work. Be going. Mommy, I'm doing overtime here. Overtime where you want here? But I ninu let me get out. Wally, you know where to meet me. Call me daddy.
Okay, I'll call you.
Imaka. Amanda really told me about you that you are very beautiful. But I don't know you are this beautiful.
Waiter, I want chicken wings and smell of ice. Very chilled smell of ice. Alright, that's fine. Thank you. You don't want anything? Wait, you don't want anything, baby?
I'm fine.
Are you sure?
I'm very
You're
okay.
alright.
Aye.
Okay, you can. Definitely.
You won't talk now.
Imaka. Let me tell you something. Me as chief, it has been long. I'm looking for a very pretty girl.
Hi, chief.
Makachi come na wagia.
Oh yeah. Oh my god. No, it's mine. yeah. Chief does not want anything.
Stop it. Please, did you have another cup? Yeah, sure. Please bring another cup.
Oh, let them bring you another smell of now.
This one is okay. There's love in sharing.
Chief, you have ordered now. You have ordered your own, Chief. Hi.
Let me help
Chief. Hi, Chief.
What is going on here? I hope it's not what I'm thinking.
Nah. Oh, Chief, thank you. Thank you.
This is my last boast too.
Chief.
Chicken, no?
Yes, Chief, are you sure? Chief.
Oh shit!
Chief, just order your own now.
No, I'm open to chicken.
Order your own.
There's love in sharing. There's love in sharing.
Chief is okay. Oh wow.
My wife.
What kind of chief is this? Are you sure it's rich chief or a package chief?
Happy here in the main Naomi. I've really suffered though.
Chief. Sorry, but order your own.
Do you know why I like you is that you know what management is all about? Makachi, you are just like my wife. You are like my wife, Amaka. The same complexion. Me go to dinner. You do not use makeup. My wife does not used to use makeup. I love Amaka so much.
This is not Amaka.
To go do no Naomi, to go do calm down. I give Amaka 1,500 now. Amaka will make 7 suits for me.
It is smoky, Igbo.
Since immediately the situation of this country turned around, Amaka adjusted peacefully. They go do.
I am like a bastard.
Where is your house, Chief?
Thank you. Nebia, let me really tell you. I really like you. Baby, I love you so much. Look at your skin. You're not one of those girls that need 50,000, 30,000 to maintain their skin. Somebody like you. Me, I know that only and Vaseline is okay for you. Yeah! Only shea butter. Once you rub it, your skin will just be shining like a gold. No, yeah, talk out. Thank you. This thing is very sweet. Do you know when last I had this thing?
Don't you use stock your chicken too?
Telefish or Google.
This chief is
you know telefish is more nutritious than
guy.
I never knew this until this new release.
This guy is chief.
Telefish. Yeah, take out.
Chief, eh?
Are you playing? What type of play is this?
As it is, my friend Amanda that introduced me to you, I told her I wanted a sugar daddy that will be taking care of me and take care of my needs. And will not be following me to drag food. But as it is right now, you're not a sugar daddy. You're a bitter daddy.
Oh, yeah.
Your sugar level is very low. What? I mean, I cannot stand. So please, I'm so sorry. I can't deal with this. I'm a bit. I don't understand.
Better. Please come and collect your money. Don't understand where I am. Oh shit! Oh shit!
Baby girl, that money I promised you for Christmas, I'll send it to you this evening.
Chief, thank you.
Anyone in a million, most beautiful.
Who is that? My wife. No. Visitors toilet.
Everybody, it don't shell it. You know what, it don't happen. It don't say it, you. It don't say it. Oh yeah, keep on.
Chai. There is God.
I know you traveled to Abuja this morning.
I was on my way and they told me that my mother is dying in the village. Honey, please, let's go to the village and see her, please.
Okay, you know what? Let me pack my clothes, eh? Go outside and wait for me. I'm coming.
No, don't pack anything. You want my mother to die? Let's go, please.
Jesus!
You are finished. No, you are finished.
Don't cry.
It is over.
My
I
tea's
swear.
gone cold, I'm wondering. Got out of bed at
Babe, guess what? I have good news.
Babe, I have a bad news, but it's fine. Let's hear your good news first.
Babe, after 3 years of us being married and looking for kids, a miracle just happened. I'm finally pregnant! Babe, what? Are you not happy?
I just finished speaking with the doctor right now. He said I'm impotent.
What have I done with myself?
Wow.
You there?
What a miracle.
What am I going to do?
This is shocking. Who there? Customer. Give me tomato 500. Is it that? Tomatoes now. Now tomato 500 be this. Call your mama for me. Call your mama for me. What's the meaning of this nonsense now? Call your mom. Mommy.
Now what's gonna happen here?
Madam. I say make the sale tomato 500 naira for me. See the nonsense we put for me. That's how you they sell. Sell away for me, Joe.
500 naira.
Can you imagine?
Hey! What? Mazi, God will bless you.
Amen.
You are a good man.
Amen.
Now you be the first person who call my attention. So now for this way. That's what this way to say my market they throw away. Mazi, take. So now 500.
No, you don't understand. Now 6 he put for me before. So as I say, me say we supposed add more now. They give me 2.
So now 500. Your kind is rare.
My kind no rare. My kind no rare. My brother, see, sell for me. Sell for me. Sell for me.
Appreciate the first seller. Learn how to appreciate your first seller. I don't tell you.
You never see anything.
Jesus! Mommy, my body they shake.
Babe, just help me send 2K to an account. My bank is having issues.
2K?
Yes, baby.
I don't have 2K for you. I don't have 2K.
Babe, I mean 2,000 naira.
Babe, you know the country is hard. I don't have urgent 2K. There's nothing in my account.
Women are scorpions.
Okay.
God have mercy upon us.
Babe, how far is 750K now?
Which 750?
The money is you're going to send me for my hair now.
Babe, I told you my bank is having issues now, but let me try to reopen.
Babe, are you sure? Thank you. Babe.
Babe, you're back.
Yeah, I got the wig.
Let me see.
Let me see what you carry.
Very nice.
But they've not debited me. How do you not manage to pay for the wig?
Oh.
I don't understand, but the money you sent me.
Babe, they just reversed the 750K I sent to you.
Boss.
That's what?
Yes, now look at it. They just reversed it.
Oh, God.
Where did you get money to buy?
Babe, you have 30,250,000 naira in your account.
Hey!
And this one I asked you for 2K.
Yes,
You say you don't have.
Babe, just help me send the money back.
Please
now.
Oh, you so really Thomas.
You can't understand what women can do. You can't. Women are money now like this. Like this.
I would like to welcome you.
Hello, good afternoon. You are welcome to our restaurant.
Thank you. I'm in. Of course, yeah. Thank you.
Let's have it.
Hey, what should I serve you?
Anything. Thank you.
Anything.
Of course, yeah. Thank you.
You can wish.
Of course, yeah. That's invited.
Too fufu. Let me see how she's going to use AI and eat it with AI.
Madam, please, this is your bills. Yes.
Thank you. Boss, this is my bill. Boss, I'm joking, no. Can I bring original bill?
Hey,
look at my face.
Don't
like I could have killed a lot of people.
Hey,
No.
It's two things. It's either you give me the money or you go and watch the dishes. You came to sit here, you are doing AI.
Exactly.
Madam, stand up.
No, activated.
Go and watch the dishes. Enter the kitchen. Hurry up. Enter.
It good, I'ma give a feedback, and I finna feed that, believe that. If it's Gen D, yeah, he means that. My hand in that coochie be like fire, they my index. Find get where they enter my eye, or more I need.
What happened? I've been calling you, you're not taking my call.
Sorry, I left my mobile rack and tour inside.
The reason why I'm here, Christmas is very close. And I need money to get some things for Christmas. I need new hair. You can see this one is old. I need bone straight, 16 inches.
How to avoid billing 2023.
Okay. New shoe,
Yes.
And I also need money to send to my parents so that they can buy rice and chicken. Babe, I'm an understanding girlfriend.
Yes.
And I don't demand much. I just need about roughly 500,000.
You joking?
Let me just manage.
Did I say yeah?
Let's have it. Well, my love, you see, I do comprehend, assimilate, and fathom that this is a go-go gala, carnivalex, Jody Viva, Jokund, and Jolly season. And as a sympathico, vivacious preppy, Inamurata, Kerida, and Colin, you deserve prolific and pantagruelian honorific ability Natyblaq for sticking with me since the inception, Fonset Torigo, and Terminus Aqua of this year, down to the Terminus Aqua.
Now, Christmas money I asked you for now, no be grammar.
There's a lot of dire straits, penury, privation, impecuniosity, destitution, and pauperdom.
Yes.
And the rate of positive
Avoid billing this pattern
keeps
and
boiling and
later.
burgeoning to the proliferate and crescendo.
God have mercy upon us.
And as an august and colossal member of the Wananchi and Hoi Polloi of the social stratum, I am currently devoid of Dosh, Bodo, Wonga, Akas, and IS.
So because of ordinary 500,000 what I asked you, now make you dey speak all this grammar give me. What if I ask you for 1 million naira? What if you for speak? You know what? December go finish, January go reach, Konji go hold you. You go sleep with Gaga to and Gaga.
Gaga to and Gaga.
I got the advice from a madman.
Lagos big boy.
Yes.
Do you know Kelvin and I broke up?
Damn. Again?
Yes, now.
Why?
He cheats, and when I talk about it, he doesn't apologize, and that's pride because he has money.
This is my problem with you.
Let's have
You like fooling people that don't know your worth or your value. You see, you and I have been best friends for the longest of time. I understand you and you understand me.
I know you're my best friend, and you've always been there for me. But you know I'm the girl of the life. You know I like money. This guy gives me everything I want, but you don't have money. How would you take care of me?
What makes you think I don't have money? Why do you think they call me Lagos big boy now?
Let's have it. Let's have it.
I'm booming every week there, every weekend. We beg Baba. Immediately I signed up, they gave me 50k welcome bonus.
Really?
And I can edit existing betting slip. What are you talking about? I'm
Oh my
balling.
god, you called me to apologize. I'm coming. Alright, I'll see you soon.
That's what I do for you.
My boyfriend just called. I need to start going. I need to go meet my boyfriend.
Okay.
I need to go meet my boyfriend. Make up sex.
Did you hear what I heard? O2TZ. Thank you guys for watching this wonderful comedy, and I believe you enjoyed this one. I believe you enjoyed this episode of comedy because everything was banger. So guys, don't forget to subscribe before you go and turn on post notification bell icon. As for those who have not subscribed, as for those who have subscribed, thank you guys, and thank you for watching, and thank you for coming in to watch. And don't forget to share and like this video. Share it to all your social media platforms, and also comment. Give your thoughts in the comment box below. All right, what's your favorite moment in this comedy video? All right, my favorite moment in this comedy video, I think I have like 5 or 6 at least, in this video. And let me say, my first favorite moment, like the favorite moment that almost got me like laughing hard, was this Nastyblaq scene. Actually, Nastyblaq was like trying to like look good, look big, making people in his environment think he's big, all those kind of things. But there is one girl as well, doing like Nastyblaq. All this kind of thing. I've actually, seen this kind of thing. It has actually happened in real life, though they acted it as a comedy, but it has actually happened. It's happening, not it is happening day by day. Not it has happened, it is happening like people are experiencing this thing or people are facing this kind of thing every day. You see some guests trying to be like trying to look good, trying to make guys see them classic, trying to make guys see them big and all this top babe. Now you know what I'm talking about. And at the end of the day, if you go to their house, you see that they are sleeping on a mat on ordinary floor. Even their house is even a mud house. They hardly feed, all those kind of things. But this same particular girls, you see them, doing things outside. They have clothes, they have airs, all the money they use, all the money men give to them, they use it to buy all those things for them to look good outside. But inwardly, their house is nowhere to be, called home. So let's forget about that. We need to see how Senator Nastyblaq give that U-turn. That U-turn is actually the key point of that comment. As for me, the U-turn is actually the key point of that comment. Look, see the way he turned, immediately saw the girl. And it was like trying to like end the business deal, all this kind of thing. When he heard someone came out and say that, okay, I have 700,000 to give to whoever that's going to do for that Christmas for me. Nastyblaq quickly, and the other funniest part in this comedy is when Nastyblaq was trying to dance that dance. You need to see the dance there. Check it out, check it out. So hilarious, like crazy. And the guy saw him and was thinking, I've caught this guy. So this guy, you're not what you think you are. You are broke and you say you are transferring 4 million to somebody. But before he could even imagine Nastyblaq, the owner of the show like quickly, hey, have you worn your costume? Why have you not wear a costume? Something like that. And Nastyblaq knew that, so I've caught you. Let's become together. Let's start it. It's actually funny, man. It's crazy, like hugely crazy. And the other part is this and Shopofo. You know what I love about Shopofo comedy? I don't know if you are noticing it from him. The most funniest part in Shopofo is not that funny, but there's one thing he does in each of his comedy that makes it different from others. Let me draw your attention to that. When you ask him what is your hobby or what do you do, he must say, for example, Shopofo washing and dry cleaning, something like that. And on this comedy, he said something like Shopofo gymming and something, I've forgotten that, but he said something like that. And the way he was like emphasizing the first work is totally like game changing for him, game changer or something for him. That comedy, that is why his comedy is like trending, and a lot of people love his comedy because of the way he was actually trying to present it. Unlike other comedians, having the same pattern, but this guy is actually having different pattern, and is a trench comedian. Like he's acting his own comedy in a slum, like let me say, yes, street comedian. That's what he's actually trying to act for us. And the other part that got me is this guy, the phone, Edo Boy saved that guy actually from that phone, because if not for Edo Boy, I think that girl would have caught that guy and she would have seen everything on that phone. And the guy was actually cheating, honestly, but the guy was like trying to deny all this kind of thing when the girl was dragging the phone, and Edo Boy came from nowhere to like hit the phone in the water. That actually saved that guy. Go and give Edo Boy 1 million naira. And boys, now, he called the game out. He even called talk, say, you are also lucky, after the girl told him that he's lucky she didn't find anything on that phone. You need to see the guy also want to and the girl never knew what happened there. So that is what that's what guys can do. I'm actually spilling out some secret, man. And the other one is that AI. How can you why you would just go restaurants? You don't even have money to pay and you want to eat. and your trick is to become an AI machine, a full-fledged human being AI machine. If not me, I would have given him a dirty slap. I would have given her a dirty slap to confirm if she's actually AI, not selling food for her at all. But look, at the end of the day, she ended up washing the dishes. It's funny and crazy at the same time. It's funny and it's crazy at the same time. Or is it about that chief? The chief who said he is a chief, he's a big boy, has money, all this kind of thing, but dragging meat. That guy now got tie from come. Gutter. You can't tell me that he came from the gutter. Like, this is just his pattern of like eating. Pretend to be a chief, pretend to be a big boy, and take someone to the restaurant, a girl to be precise, and after that, and when it gets to time to order food, he won't order anything. He will just like allow the girl to order, and at the end of the day, join the girl to eat the food, and at the end of the day, the girl ended up paying. You see, that's another bad pattern, bad bloody picky pattern. This comment is actually hilarious. All sins are powerful. All knowledge are powerful. All the comedians, follow them on their YouTube channel and also follow them on Instagram. Subscribe to their channel on YouTube. You can subscribe to them channel out to get their handle. You know, when watching the comedy videos, you see their handle on the screen. So just write it on YouTube and search for them. You see them. If you love this, if you love any of them, search for them. You see them and subscribe to their channel so that you get more updates from them. So I think we've come to the end of this update, and I believe you enjoy it. All right, guys, let me see your comment popping. Let me see your comment popping. And also, don't forget our giveaway will commence immediately I get monetized. I'm marking those of you guys watching my video and commenting, because when I get monetized, I know what to do. I'm actually going to like surprise you guys. I'm actually going to surprise you guys with my giveaway. So without further ado, we're going to see you guys on our next update. To have a wonderful time and remain blessed. Happy Christmas, Happy New Year in advance. Goodbye and peace out.